negosyo ya ingaguman na rin negosyante king Metro Angeles king pamaglingap king kalikasan kapamilatan na rin niyayaliwang programa ay report.
Aktibo yang Manimuna ing Metro Angeles Chamber of Commerce and Industry o Maccii, apamuntukan ning presidente na niting Elizabeth Carlos Timbol, kareng programang Pangkalikasan, kalupaning Abacan River Cleanup Drive at Recyclables and Hazardous Waste Collection Event. King News at Use Forum ning Pampanga Press Club, king Park In by Radisson Clark, pepasyag ng Timbol ing ulaganing pamaglingap king kalikasan.
Not all about profit. You know, we the businessmen in the sector, we believe that we just don't live by ourselves. We live for the others as well. And not only that we are only responsible for our respective companies, but we are also responsible to the community where we serve and where we live. Because if we will not take care of the Mother Earth, kawawa tayo lahat.
Inyang April 2022, may kisan metong ng Maccii, king Balibago Water Works System Incorporated o BWSI, Abacan River at Angeles Watershed Advocacy Council Incorporated o Araw ACI at Angeles City Environment and Natural Resources Office o Sendro para king pamaglinis king Abacan River. Pinirmande dinatimbol at BWSI President Crisel Panlilio Alejandro ing metong nga Memorandum of Agreement bayo yung aktwal a pamaglinis ning ilog. Pilang dala na voluntaryo iba't king miyayaliwang kumpanya at barangay ing mekiadwangan king aktibidad. Kawani Keti, Penny Munane din ning Maccii, kayabing Environmental Practitioners Association o EPA at JDN Realty Group ing 29th Recyclables and Hazardous Waste Collection Event. Dinikdik ng Timbol ing collective responsibility a dapat iyabe aldoldo king operasyon dareng negosyo.
So ano tayo, magwawalang bahala? If magwawalang bahala, who are affected? Tayo. Kasi na-overflow ang Abacan, lahat tayo madadamay. Di ba? So if we care for Mother Earth, we do our job in our own little way, then we can all solve this one. Hindi tayo matatamaan.
Reng inisyatibong areti, dakela ning balaw sa pamagsumikap ning Maccii na amuyutan niya ing komunidad, dareng magnegosyo na maging aktibong kasaup kareng environmental programs. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.